Welcome! In today's video, we're going to explore how to view all the shared photos in your WhatsApp group using the app on your PC. This new update makes it super easy to find and enjoy all those memories without scrolling through endless chats. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. Next, locate the group where you want to view the shared photos. Click on that group to open the chat window. This will take you directly to the conversation. Once you're in the group chat, look at the top of the screen for the group name. Click on the name to open the group information page. This is where you can manage settings and see shared media. Now click on the media option. This section will show you all the photos, videos, and documents that have been shared in the group, neatly organized for easy access. Finally, scroll through the media section to find the photos you want to view. You can click on any image to enlarge it and enjoy those moments in detail. And that's it. You now know how to easily access all shared photos in your WhatsApp group on PC. Enjoy reminiscing about those special times. Enjoy.